I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect CarPlay in your Chrysler Pacifica. First, ensure your iPhone is compatible with CarPlay, as older models may not support it. Next, confirm that your Pacifica's Uconnect system also supports CarPlay, which is standard in many newer models. Finally, start your vehicle and keep it safely in park before proceeding with the connection. Now grab a high-quality USB cable, preferably the one that came with your iPhone, to ensure a stable connection. Locate the USB port in your Pacifica. It's typically found in the center console or near the dashboard. Once you've found it, simply plug one end of the USB cable into your iPhone and the other end into the car's USB port. After connecting, your Pacifica's Uconnect screen should display prompts to activate CarPlay. Follow these instructions carefully. Simultaneously, your iPhone may ask for permissions to allow CarPlay to access certain features. Grant these permissions to proceed. CarPlay should then automatically launch on your vehicle's display, showing your familiar iPhone apps. If CarPlay doesn't connect immediately, try restarting both your iPhone and the Pacifica's Uconnect system. Sometimes, a simple reboot resolves minor glitches. Also, ensure your Uconnect software is up to date, as updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes for connectivity. If you're looking for a great way to enjoy your favorite books, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.